Brad, ito may kumokontest sa akin. Ang mga insurance agent kasi sinabi ko before na hindi sila nagbebenta dapat ng variable life insurance as investment insurance or investment policy. Hindi nila dapat gagamitin yung term na yun. Bakit? Kasi hindi naman investment ang binibenta mo. Una-una, hindi ka naman certified investment solicitor ng SEC. Pangalawa, you're an insurance advisor. So, ang binibenta mo is insurance. And the product itself is an insurance product with investment component. Okay? Parang bonus na nga lang yun kung tutuusin. Alam mo kung bakit? Siyempre, ang account value mo, which is yung perang naka-invest sa mga na-mention na companies do sa policy kinuha mo, ay posibleng lumaki through time also. Pero posible rin yung ma-deplete through time. For example, ang payment period mo 7 years or 5 years. Hindi naman yan guaranteed eh. Kasi po pwedeng mag-resume yan, depende sa market condition. Okay? And take note, nagka-cancel ng units yan sa iyong investment component part pag tumatanda ka. Siyempre, yung cost of insurance. Kaya nga, mas maganda pag may investment pag may variable universal life ka na or VUL na product, dapat nagta-top up ka rin. Okay? So, yon. Malinaw ha, hindi yan investment insurance. It is a life insurance with investment. Okay?